Hi, in this video we're going to cover setting up the initial authentication between the fmAccounting link file and the Xero API. So to do this you need to open your fmAccounting link file and click the organisation navigation button at the top, and you'll see a screen like this showing the Xero preferences. So the first thing you need to do is just enter your Xero organisation name, and it doesn't matter if you don't get this exactly right, we'll update it when we first authenticate. And in this case I'm going to be using the demo company, and we strongly recommend using a free Xero demo company while you're testing your integration so you're not working with live data. Okay, the next thing we need to do is click the create private keys button, and that's going to generate two keys for us, a private key and a public key. So next thing we need to do now is head over to the Xero website, and you need to log into your Xero account. So I've logged into my demo company, and then in another tab just go to developer.xero.com, and it'll ask you to log in if you haven't already logged in. Once you're there, just click the My Apps button at the top, and you'll get a list of any apps. In this case we don't have any. If you see this notice about the TLS 1.0 deprecation, just ignore that. fmAccounting link is already TLS 1.2 compatible, so there won't be any issues there. So let's click the New App button, and you'll be presented with two choices, a public app or a private app. We're working with what's called the private app, Xero Private Application, which only works with your particular Xero organization. So we need to give this a name, so I'm going to call this fmAccounting link demo, and then you get a list of any organizations that your account has access to. So in this case I've just got my demo company, so I'll select that. Now it's asking us for the public key, so we've created that back in the fmAccounting link file. So we'll come back here, click into the public key field, and just do a Control or Command C to copy that to the clipboard. Then we'll click the paste from clipboard option, and then simply paste that into that field. And we need to tick this box, and if you're using any of the payroll API integration such as employees and timesheets, make sure you tick that box as well. So that's all we need to do. So we'll just click the create app and let the Xero website create the application for us, and that's been successfully created. So the second part of this process is we need to copy a key from the Xero website into the fmAccounting link file, and that's this consumer key. So we're just going to click copy, come back over here, click into the consumer field, and then just go paste, and you can see that that's pasted in the consumer key. So now we have everything that we need to authenticate. So let's test this out and see if it works just by clicking the authenticate button, and that was successful, and you can see it's updated the proper name for my Xero organization, and it's also set the Xero organization shortcode, and that shortcode is used for those what they call the deep linking options, where you have buttons to open the contact in Xero or open the invoice in Xero and so on. So another way you can test this is by downloading or uploading some data from or to Xero. So in this case I'm just going to download my chart of accounts, and you can see they've been downloaded successfully. So that's all there is to it. That's all you need to do to set up the Xero Private Application and get the authentication working from fmAccounting link. Thank you.